Good day to all. This is Amrithalingam Madhu. Today's topic is Vastu Secrets, Part 1. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. Speak only when you feel that your words are better than your silence. Let's move on to the topic. Vastu Secrets, Part 1. I would like to share with you some secrets of Vastu Shastra, the ancient science of architecture in India. You can change your future with your house. Choose your different kind of plot for happy and peaceful life. In Vastu Shastra, directions are very important. There are 8 directions, which is east, west, north, south, northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. These are all the 8 directions. It's the most important thing. Let's see the 8 directions and respective powers. East. East ruled by Indra. East is related to health. West. West is ruled by god Varuna. North is ruled by Gupera. Gupera is god of wealth. Basically, it's money. South direction is ruled by a god Yama. It should be all high position. Northeast. This is the birthplace of all type of energy. This is the place where all energy comes and cultivate in a proper method. Basically, Vastu Shastra is cultivating a different energy from different sources. Northeast related to men's growth, men's health. Northeast, it's necessary to keep very low compared to the other area. Southwest, it is the most dangerous place to keep underground water bodies below the ground level. We should not keep any water below the ground level. Southwest and northeast are just opposite. Northeast, we should keep water below the ground level. Next is southwest related to men. Northwest. Northwest ruled by a god Vayuvya. This is directions we can park, car park, septic tank, lift, elevator. Northwest related to men, men's growth, related to ladies growth. 8. Southeast. Southeast we call it as Agni Mula. Both distractive and helpful. We have to use very carefully. For example, transformers, electrical meters are more dangerous as well as it's helpful. So northeast related to ladies health issue. Northeast should be very clean and light weighted. This is the most important thing. Northeast we can keep borewell, underground sump, and underground water tank, rainwater harvesting. First, we have to check the direction using magnetic compass. Once we know the directions, accordingly we can construct the house. Vastu for home is a collective approach. When I mean here is that if you do Vastu for all rooms and parts of the home, then a complete home automatically become as per Vastu. Vastu for home. Already you are aware, Vastu is ancient Indian science, enhancing a positive energy and eliminating a negative energy in and around a place or a person. And the more positive energies around you, the more abundance is attractive towards you. Home. What is meant by home? A home is a place where a person or family lives, and lives, I mean, really lives, not just to say. Home is made up of passion, emotions, and feelings like love and warmth. There are important rules in the Vastu Shastra. Let's see the 5 important rules. First one is plot house industry, it should be square or rectangle. Point number 2, east and north should not be common wall. This is the most important thing. Point number 3, east and north should be more space compared to west and south. Point number 4, southwest should be higher, northeast should be lower. Point number 5, surrounding area. South side can be hills, big buildings, etc. And northeast can be a lake or a pond, borewell, sump, these kind of the things. So this is the basic fundamental things when we apply in our house for happy and peaceful life. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.